We're also now learning of a preliminary report into the Ajit Pawar plane crash, and that is expected by the end of this month, we are told, in line with the international norms. A separate report of the aircraft's owning company is likely to come in next week. The digital flight data recorder has been decoded, while the the cockpit voice recorder is undergoing analysis with special assistance from the US. And while all this is happening, the NCP Ajit Pawar faction has now sought a CBI probe in the presence of the immediate family, and the request is currently pending before Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. My colleague Payal Mehta with all of those details. Payal, any word from Fadnavis's office regarding this demand for a CBI investigation by the Ajit Pawar faction?
What we're given to understand that the matter is under his consideration, because remember, the state has to recommend for the center to take the probe up and refer it to CBI. Remember, there are a lot of questions that are being raised by both sides. Earlier you heard Rohit Pawar, the nephew of Ajit Pawar, raised multiple questions. He's done more than a couple of press conferences and he's hinting at some foul play as far as Ajit Pawar's sudden crash demise is really concerned. That is something which obviously is being examined, but Sunetra Pawar, Sunetra Pawar, Praful Patel, Sunil Tatkare, Parth Pawar, and Jay Pawar. They had all met Devendra Fadnavis more than a couple of days ago with their request as well, saying that it is a very important case, and since there are doubts that are being raised by people, it is best to get it investigated by an independent agency. So that is something which Devendra Fadnavis has to take a call on, and it will be important when he decides to refer it, because he's not only is he the chief minister of the state, he's also the home minister of the state as well. So that's something which is pending. But as far as the demands are concerned, it seems that both the sides of the Pawar family, whether it's Supriya Sule, Sharad Pawar, and Rohit Pawar on one side, and of course Sunetra Pawar and her children, and Praful Patel and Sunil Tatkare, all seem to be demanding this. Although as part of the international standards, since AAIB is investigating the case currently, Greha, a preliminary report, much like the case that you saw in Air India crash, will be released by the end of this month. It has to be released within 30 days, and 30th day happens to be on the 28th of February, when the probe was ordered by the government of India.